The secret of getting ahead is getting started. With these lines, I would like to welcome you all back. Students, I hope you all are doing well. Students, this video is of lesson 12. Soon, I will upload chapter 8, 9, 10 and 11. Students, the chapter we are going to discuss today is Chapter 12, Measurement of Length. Students, do you know what is length? No. Let us know what is length. Length is the distance of an object. It tells us how long an object is. Students, length can be measured with the help of non-standard unit and standard units. Students, now let us know what are non-standard units. Students, non-standard units is an unit used for measurement that has no fixed definition in terms of standard units of measure. Students, it means that non-standard unit does not give convenient and accurate measurement of length. Non-standard units just gives an approx measurement of length. Students, non-standard units differ from person to person. Students, we can measure a length with the help of body parts or any object. Students, examples for non-standard units are handspan, cubit, fingers, palm, footspan, pencil, cup, stick and many other objects. Students, now let us discuss about some of these non-standard units. Handspan. Handspan is the distance from the tip of the thumb to the little finger. Example, let us measure the length of a table using handspan. As you can see in the picture, the length of this table is about 5 handspans. Cubit. Cubit is the distance from the tip of the finger to the elbow. Example, let us measure a long bamboo stick. Students, as you can see in this picture, the length of this bamboo stick is about 3 cubits. Fingers. Students, finger is also known as finger width. It is a unit of distance equal to the width of 4 fingers closely pressed together. Let us measure the length of a book. As you can see in the picture, the length of this book is about 4 fingers. Palm. It is a unit of distance equal to the length of the hand from the wrist to the tip of the middle finger. Students, let us measure the length of a scale. As you can see, the length of this scale is about 3 palms. Footspan. Students, footspan is also known as pace. It is a unit of distance based on the length of actual feet. Students, let us measure the length of a room. As you can see in the picture, the length of this room is about 20 foot spans. Students, remember, when we measure using non-standard units, We measure the object starting at one end and measure in a straight to the other end. Make sure to have no gaps. Students, now let us understand the measurement of length using non-standard unit with an example. Students, as you can see, there is a boy named Dorji. He wants to cross the road. Let us know in how many steps he will cross the road. So, Dorji will cross the road in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 steps. So, you can also say that the length of this road is about 8-foot spans. Students, now let us know about standard unit of length. A standard unit is a standard measure that remains the same whenever, wherever, and by whoever it is used. So students, for convenient and accurate measurement of length, we use standard units and devices. Students, the standard unit of length is meter. Students, these are the measuring tools that we use to measure length. We measure the length of an object by a meter scale, a ruler, or a measuring tape. Students, the metric measurements of length are millimeters, which is denoted as mm, centimeters, which is denoted as cm, meters, which is denoted as m, kilometers, which is denoted as km. Students, as you can see, the boy is 1 meter tall. This road is about 1 kilometer long. This line is 1 centimeter long. And the above line is 1 millimeter long. Students, the smallest unit of length is millimeter. Greater than millimeter is centimeter, then meter, and the largest unit of length is kilometer. Students, it is very important to learn that 10 millimeter makes 1 centimeter, 100 centimeters make 1 meter, 1000 meters make 1 kilometer, and 12 inches make 1 foot. Students, now we will discuss how to measure the length of an object using a ruler. Students, the markings on the ruler indicate the centimeters, and the small line between them indicates the millimeter. Students, before measuring the length of an object, check your ruler carefully that you are measuring in centimeter or inches. Now, put one end of your object at the zero on the ruler. Look at the other end of the object. Read the number that it is next to. Students, let us measure the pencil. Students, when you are measuring, remember to start measuring at the zero. Don't start at the end of the ruler. So, as you can see, the pencil is 6 centimeter long. Students, now let us study addition and subtraction of length. Students, as you have already learned how to add, but addition of length is little bit different but interesting. Students, read the question. It is given, add 43 meter, 25 centimeter and 15 meter, 16 centimeter. So students, first we will make a table of two columns. In the right hand side, we will write centimeter, and in the left hand side, we will write meter. Students, now read the question again. 43 meter, 25 centimeter and 15 meter, 16 centimeter. As it is given 43 meter, so 43 will be written under meter column and 25 under centimeter column. Now next part, 15 meter, 16 centimeter. So 15 will be written under meter column and 16 under centimeter column. Now as we have arranged the given lengths, now we simply add the numbers. Students, just like normal addition, we have to start from right hand side. As it is given 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 1's place of 11 is 1. So we will write down 1 and 1 will go carry. Now 2 plus 1 plus carried over 1. We will get 4. So we will write 4 down. Now moving on to meters. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So we will write 8 down. Then 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So we will write 5 down. Students, so 43 meter, 25 centimeter plus 15 meter, 16 centimeter is equal to 58 meter, 41 centimeter. Students, now we will discuss subtraction. Students, in the same way as we have done in addition, we have to do in subtraction. Students, read the question. Find the difference between 58 meter, 29 centimeter and 90 meter, 64 centimeter. Students, as you all know that difference means subtraction. So now, make a table of two columns and arrange the given lengths under meter and centimeter and then subtract. As you can see, students, we cannot subtract 9 from 4. So we will borrow from 6. 6 will become 5 and 4 will become 14. Now we will subtract 9 from 14. We will get 5. So we will write 5. Now we will subtract 2 from 5. We will get 3. So we will write 3. So students, as you can see, we will get 35 under the centimeter column. Now moving on to meters. As you can see, students, we cannot subtract 8 from 0. So we will borrow from 9. 0 will become 10. 9 will become 8. Now we will subtract 8 from 10. We will get 2. So we will write 2. Now we will subtract 5 from 8. We will get 3. So we will write 3. As you can see, students, we got 32 under the meter column. So the difference between 58 meter, 29 centimeter and 90 meter 64 centimeter is 32 meter 35 centimeter. Students, I hope you have understood this chapter properly. Now it's time for some activity. So students, today you have to measure length using non-standard unit. Students, measure different objects using non-standard units like handspan, cubit, pace, etc. and write down the measurement of the object with object name in your rough copy. Students, now I will take your leave. We will meet in our next class. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.